Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin holding quite well actually, yeah. We saw a little bit of volatility around the weekly candle close, which was just a red candle here, which made a new swing low here yesterday, a new intraday low to 18,950 or 18,950 roughly. Ethereum dropped a bit more in percent, but both of them did hold key support. Bitcoin's key support here around 18,850, which is this one here, the wave B low, and then we've got the 18,450 level. They both need to be broken in order to continue the move to the downside. Key resistance level on the upside, we've got a 19,760 and 20,400, yeah. So we are still in this ongoing range. There isn't too much more to add. You can't even add more detail here to the chart because there is just nothing happening. I mean, to be fair, if we are really in a wave 3 to the downside here, this here is probably a wave 1 and there should be a wave 2 retracement at some point. Then this would be a leading diagonal in a wave 1. Therefore, it's not very impulsive. So if we have a leading diagonal in a 1, there will be a wave 2 to the upside and then the 3 of the 3 down. That is how I could envision this is going to happen. But other than that, we just need to wait and let the market decide when it's ready to come down. Everything is still pointing to the downside, no change here. Today we've got the unscheduled Fed meeting. I'm not sure if it will trigger any sell-off or anything, if any information is leaked or whatever, but important to understand that everything is still pointing to the downside. Even if we break above 19,760 and 20,400, it would still mean we are heading further down. It would not be impulsive unless we really go above 22,100. That is a level where the daily chart trend is changing to the upside and where we can consider that a more substantial low was already in. In that case, I would just wait for a retracement and then buy in more aggressively then. But at the moment, it's all pointing to the downside. We've got the 50-day moving average here coming down. That is most likely to generate some resistance as well. This is currently at around 20,400. And we can also add the EMA ribbon to the chart, just that you can see here a little bit more of the key resistance levels. I don't know why it's not doing it. Maybe it just needs a bit of time to load. If we have, also we can add the VPVR. So that's the VPVR. It shows you key support areas, and you can see there is a spike here exactly at the $19,100 level. That is why it's so hard to get through. Shows you with this historical volume indicator, when we break through the current level, it should really push us down already. Yeah, so that is a very important level that has high relevance. As you can see, if I zoom out even, it provides here a spike at exactly that current price level. So if you look at this, we are really constrained by a range between 19,100 based on this indicator and basically 20,200, which is broadly in line with what I told you as well. Yeah, so very interesting. VPVR, that explains why we have a cluster. We have a cluster of volume at the current price level. That is why it's so hard to get through this area, but then it really drops off. So a drop below that level should be the catalyst to bring us down, and we're really exactly at this level. Now I did hide the EMA ribbon now again. So let me hide that one, and then the EMA ribbon, you can see we are also below on the 4-hour chart, below the EMA ribbon. The EMA ribbon is nearly one line now. That is how little volatility there is. But also here providing resistance. We had a short signal here on the 2nd of October. This is on the 4-hour chart. On the daily chart, we're also below the EMA ribbon. That is up here. So it's all pointing to the downside. 1-hour chart, even here we are below the EMA ribbon. So it's all pointing down at the moment. Yeah, all bearish at the moment. If there is a bullish signal or anything, I will of course let you know, but it will take a bit of time, because we really need to break above 22.1k first to consider anything bullish. Everything until then, I will probably consider just a corrective move up before we come down and make that new low. Alright, and that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.